Hey y'all, hope y'all are doing okay. Today we are going to be talking about problem solving with elapsed time, and this is lesson 11.8. So our first example reads, a dinosaur museum closes in 1.5 hours. Do you have enough time to spend 20 minutes at each of 4 exhibits in the museum? Understand the problem. What do you know? You know the museum closes in 1.5 hours, and you want to spend 20 minutes at each of 4 exhibits. What do you need to find? You need to find whether you have enough time to spend 20 minutes at each of 4 exhibits before the museum closes. So we're going to make a plan. How will we solve? We're going to find the number of minutes until the museum closes. We're going to find the total number of minutes it takes to visit the exhibits. So here's step 1. Find the number of minutes until the museum closes. So this says there are blank minutes in 1 hour. So there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. I'm going to do this a different way. They wanted us to multiply 1 1/2 times 60, but we're going to do something different. If we know that 1 hour is 60 minutes, then we have a half an hour, so that's half as much as 60, so that will be 30. So we're going to add 60 plus 30, and that's going to be 90. So there are 90 minutes until the museum closes. Step 2, find how many minutes it takes to visit the exhibits. So here they have it broken into 20 minutes down here because it told us up here we're going to spend 20 minutes. So if we look at this number line, we have there's 1 exhibit, 2, 3, 4 exhibits. And that's going to take 80 minutes to visit the exhibits, which is that more or less than 90 minutes? That would be less. So do we have enough time to spend 20 minutes at each of these exhibits? 80 minutes is less than 90, so we do have enough time to visit the exhibits. We're going to do this one together. Well, I'm going to do it. And then you are going to complete the apply and grow for practice before you take the daily assessment. Number 1, it reads, you have a total of 9.5 minutes to complete 4 tasks in a video game. Do you have enough time to spend 150 seconds on each task? The first thing we need to do is we need to see how many seconds are in 9.5 minutes. To do that, we know that there are 60 minutes. There are 60 seconds in every minute. So we're going to multiply 60 times 9. 6 times 9 is 54. Then add a 0. So that takes care of the 9 minutes. Now we need to take care of the half. So we're going to add half of 60 because that would be half a minute. So half of 60 would be 30. So when we add that, we have 570 seconds. So we have 570 seconds. Now we need to see if we have enough time to complete those 4 tasks. Each one is 150 seconds. So we're going to multiply 150 times 4. 0 times 4 is 0, 5 times 4 is 20, 0, carry my 2, 1 times 4 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So it's going to take us 600 seconds to complete those 4 tasks. We have 570 seconds. So do we have enough time? No, because 570 is less than 600. You are going to do the apply and grow on your Big Ideas app, and then after you finish that, you are going to do the daily assessment for 11.8. Please do not forget about your Dreambox lessons. There are a couple people that already have all of their lessons. I have been looking, so please don't forget about those lessons. And if you've got questions, email me or message me. I love hearing from you, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.